Parkour.
Again.
Why are you doing this, Baba? You're scared mommy.
Why?
Because it's danger. Stop it.
One more jump, then we're off to Duluth, buddy.
No more jumps.
This one's for you, Mama.
Again. Again. Again.
Okay, 5, 6 more times, and then that's it.
Wow, Dad.
Okay, that's it, buddy.